Good afternoon. We are live on Facebook and Instagram. Today is a little bit unusual because today is Wednesday, not Monday. So usually I go live on a Monday afternoon at 4 p.m. Today is Wednesday, 2 p.m. And reason being, as probably many of you know, is our launch, the Auspire Immigration Australia launch. So we have rebranded and we changed from Northern Immigration Australia to Auspire Immigration Australia. So we've been posting lots, we've been doing stories, I've been doing videos. It's a very, very exciting time. So today we have a full program. We are celebrating the launch of Auspire. So I'm just going to wait for a few more people to jump on. Obviously, we're also recording this live, so that means if people cannot attend it because either they're working or they're at university or college, or they are on the other side of the world and it's in the middle of the night. So there's always going to be the recording, so watch out on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, LinkedIn. We spread it all around our social media channels. So as you come on live, just give me a like, give me a wave. Also, let me know where you are located. So let me know the city and the country you're located. Obviously, if you're in Australia, just write the city. That should be enough. But if you're overseas, let me know. We usually have it's usually 50-50 people in Australia as well as people overseas. So we have Humphrey. Humphrey, where are you based? Where are you located? Got a few more people coming online. So just keep the likes coming, please. We've got Gillian, he, I'm not sure, can't really see, the photo is too small. Northern Territory, Warrawee community. Humphrey is in Brisbane. That's very close to where I am. I'm on the beautiful Gold Coast. It is such a beautiful day. So we have autumn, and that's the best time on the Gold Coast or in Queensland. We have beautiful temperatures. It's like, mid 20 degrees and sunshine, blue skies. So we have Rusty Shah from Iran on Instagram. Where's everyone else from? As you can see today, I'm wearing blue because blue is our new color. Humphrey lived in Humtudu last year, working for the mangoes. Perfect. So I assume that was for your working holiday visa to get your regional work done, to get an extension on the working holiday. Humtudu, I have good memories to Humtudu and the Humtudu Hotel. Sunday sessions at the Humtudu Hotel with live music and dancing, and excellent. We have Tutsam from Bali in Indonesia. Wonderful. So it's very, Facebook seems to be very Australia based and Instagram is very international. Anyways, so coming back to Auspire, our new brand. So I'm wearing blue because that's the new color. So we're changing colors, we're changing names, we have a new website, new branding, and so blue and silver, that's our new colors. I'm wearing actually blue and silver as well. And very, very exciting day today. So the agenda is we are celebrating the launch of Auspire, our new brand, and we are announcing the winner of the competition. So who is online and who has participated in our competition? So the competition was, we posted that a little while ago. We did pin it. So if you're on Facebook, it's pinned up. It's the first post. We posted that on the 15th of April, so just a week ago. And Instagram, you can also look in our grid. There is a post. Anyway, so the competition was like the post, watch the video, like the post, comment, and let us know what you think Auspire means, the word Auspire. Then tag 3 friends and share the post. So that's pretty much done in 5 minutes, well, maybe even less. And so the value is a 30-minute consultation with me for free. That's a money value of $300. So you can make $300 in 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. We have Connie from the Philippines. Hi, Connie, how are you? Rusty said, I wanted to do that. Did you do it? Did you participate? Did you comment and share and everything? Okay, so we did have a few participants on Facebook and Instagram. I also said that if you put your comments on both, you're obviously increasing your chances of winning, because we have a draw where we put in all the participants, and then if you participate in both, that means double the chance to win. So I will be announcing the winner very soon, and then the third topic of our agenda is obviously an immigration topic I will be talking about. So again, we had 3 topics to choose from. So we had the COVID visa, the global talent visa, as well as the training visa. So we gave you the option to vote like every week, and there was a very strong voting for the first 2 topics. So that was COVID visa as well as global talent visa. And not many votes for training visa, which I find interesting because we get a lot of inquiries about training visas. So, but anyways, it was really between the 2, COVID visa and global talent visa. And the winner is COVID visa. So COVID visa had the most votes. It was very close with global talent, but I will be talking about the COVID visa. All right, so just what is this? I'm just sorry. As I'm doing this live, I'm also reading the comments because I want this to be, as engaging as possible. So also, just use the comment. Unfortunately, you can't talk, but you can participate by commenting. So Rusty is saying that they wanted to participate in the competition. It appears they weren't able to, and then I will call you later. I'll follow you more than 1 year. You are the best. Oh, thank you so much. Rusty, in regards to calling me later, you need to make an appointment for a consultation, okay? So you can speak with either myself or one of my team members, but you need to make an appointment for the consultation. Okay, Far, can you please put on Instagram the link for the consultation booking? So we have a booking page, and that is where you can book the appointment online. Okay, and then it comes through to us. Great. Okay. Humphrey says, currently on COVID visa, too old for 3rd year visa. Oh, that's a shame. Humphrey, what stream are you on? Are you on the critical sector stream or on the non-critical? Who else have we got? Let me know where you're from. Let me know what visa you have. Critical farm work. Excellent. Perfect. Okay, that's wonderful. So that means you obviously can work. So basically, the COVID visa has two streams. Yeah. So one stream is for critical sector workers or essential workers. And that includes, so I've written this down, agriculture sector, so that is for you, Humphrey. Then food processing, healthcare, aged care, disability care, and childcare. Okay, so there's 6 sectors where workers in that sector can apply for a COVID visa, and that visa can be up to 12 months. And you get full work rights. How good is that? So this is for the essential workers. Yeah. Now the other stream, so if you're not working in any of these sectors, or for example, if you're not working at all, then you can still apply for the COVID visa because of the current, global pandemic, and you can get that visa for up to 3 months. However, there is no work rights associated with it. Okay. And this is actually all I have to say about the COVID visa. We can assist you. We've been doing lots of COVID visas. So how it works is the first step is to book a consultation so we can do the assessment if you're eligible for a COVID visa, then what stream, and we can also check if you're eligible for any other visa. Yeah, because there may be a different visa, because the COVID visa is a great visa option to stay in Australia and maybe also work. However, the COVID visa is only a temporary visa, okay? So it does not lead to permanent residency. Having said that, during that time, especially when you have work rights, you can gain work experience, which then can lead to you being eligible for a more permanent visa. Okay? So I'm just reading the comments. So Humphrey, please feel free. I feel I have a conversation with Humphrey. But yeah, it's great. Humphrey, he's asking me questions. So basically he's saying, I'm originally an electrician from Germany. Last work was in Mainz near Frankfurt. That's where I'm from, as in I'm from Rheinland-Pfalz. Mainz is the capital city of Rheinland-Pfalz. And usually when people ask me where I'm from, I say Frankfurt because everyone knows Frankfurt. But I'm actually from a small country town near Frankfurt. So it's 80 kilometers away from Frankfurt. That's great, Humphrey. So electricians are in high demand in Australia. So I would definitely recommend, if you want to stay in Australia, to look into options as to how to get a visa as an electrician. Again, we can help you with that. So that means we can do an assessment during the consultation, and then we can also help you with skills assessment. We can help you with visa applications, nominations, and so on. So electricians are on the medium and long-term list, so they have excellent visa options to get permanent residency really, really, really fast. Okay. Your COVID visa is expiring in October. Can I reapply? Yes, you can. So yeah, that's a good thing about the COVID visa. It all is subject to how this pandemic is developing. So we keep a close eye on how the pandemic is developing, how it's going, and but yeah, at this stage, obviously, it's still ongoing, and that's when you can apply for another COVID visa. Of course, every time you apply for a visa, there's never a guarantee for a visa approval. Okay, so there's always a bit of risk involved. But yeah, it's definitely possible to reapply and extend your COVID visa and other visas as well. Okay. So if you're currently in Australia and your visa is about to expire, definitely, if you have no plan yet, or if you're not sure if your plan is a good plan, contact my office, make an appointment for a consultation, and speak with us. Okay, so we can give you advice as to what is the best visa option for you. COVID visa is kind of a last resort option. Okay, so last resort means last chance, or the only option you have, really. And maybe there's a better option. Yeah, because for example, Humphrey, as an electrician, you can not easily, but once we have assessed your eligibility, because there are certain requirements that you have to meet, and then we can go ahead and start your permanent residency process. Okay. Yes, we have had electricians before. We're assisting all sorts of occupations, so electricians and healthcare workers, childcare workers, business, finance, really everything, hairdressers. It doesn't matter what occupation it is, because the process is very similar. Yeah. Humphrey, definitely. So so when I say Far, she is my assistant, and she is in the background posting responses. Far, can you please respond to Humphrey and post the booking link? So Humphrey, you can then just go onto the booking link and make your appointment for a consultation. Okay? So our new website, auspireimmigration.com.au, is live, and it has amazing functionality, so you can book your appointment for a consultation pretty much at any time of day, 24/7. You don't have to speak to any of us, you can also ring and make your appointment on the phone, but it takes a lot longer, and obviously we're only available during office hours. So many of you are working, so you can do it after work, you can do it on the weekend. It's online on our website, auspireimmigration.com.au. Connie is saying, I think Connie has asked something else. Used to work in Brisbane in aged care for 4 years. Yeah, that's wonderful. Okay, so do you have qualifications in aged care? I got the chance to attend in one of your seminar and had a consultation with one of your staff. Wonderful, Connie. Who did you speak with? If you're an aged care worker, there's definitely options. There's visa options that can also lead to permanent residency. So I repeat, so this is the COVID visa, Zoltan. Hi, Zoltan. How are you? I think, Zoltan, is it that you're from Hungary but you live in Denmark? Is that right? We had a consultation previously, and I think it was something like that. Definitely in Europe, and I think, Zoltan, you are a forklift driver, and amazingly, Australia needs forklift drivers. So there is a visa for a forklift driver. So if you are a forklift driver, make sure that you contact our office and we can help you. Yes, forklift driver. Perfect. So, is there any questions? Let me know. Put your questions in the comment box. So going back to, who was it? Connie. So I understand you are not in Australia anymore. You're back in the Philippines. So obviously, look, currently it's really hard when you're offshore, because Australian borders have been closed since March 2020, so over a year now, and we don't know yet when borders will open. That is the $1,000,000 question. I get asked that question probably 5 times a day, if not 10 times a day, and we don't know. So for now, we have the travel bubble with New Zealand, so we can go in between New Zealand and Australia. That's a little bit of progress, but Australian borders are still closed for anywhere else. So if you're offshore, there is options. Okay, so we can apply for a visa and we can apply for travel exemptions. So especially, for example, if you are a worker in these critical sectors, okay, and I repeat them: agriculture, food processing, healthcare, aged care, disability care, and childcare. So these are the the six sectors. Okay, if you work in any of these six sectors, then there may be a chance for you, even if you're offshore, there may be a chance for you to actually migrate to Australia. Okay, is there any questions? So put your questions or comments in the comment box, and then I will try and answer your questions. Take this chance. This is free advice. Free advice. Usually you would have to pay anything between $300 to $500 to speak with me. Oh, that actually reminds me, I need to reveal the winner of the competition. And, okay, so here we go. So the competition, sorry, I'm just looking at my notes. So the task was I asked the question, what do you think Auspire means? Because the word Auspire, how it is spelled, so it's A-U-S-P-I-R-E. So the word Auspire does not exist. It's a word that I made up. So I actually invented that word. And it is a combination of two words. Okay, so it's Australia, A-U-S for Australia. And then the pire is from aspire. Yeah, so many people had said in the comments, inspire. And I like that as well, because, you know, we like to inspire, and we do inspire our clients and our followers and our audience. However, the actual word that I had in mind when I came up with that word or the name Auspire is aspire. And so the dictionary, the Oxford Dictionary defines aspire as to have a strong desire to achieve or to become something. I say that again. Aspire means to have a strong desire to achieve or to become something. So if you think about it, I mean, all of you desire to either come to Australia, or if you are in Australia, you desire to become a permanent resident and a citizen, and to have a life and a future in Australia. So this is what our clients aspire to. And we, the Auspire team, so myself and my team, we aspire to assist our clients to achieve this goal and make this dream of a life in Australia a reality. So Australia and aspire, and together Auspire. So Auspire Immigration Australia. Ta-da! So this was the correct answer. And interestingly, no one actually had that answer from all the entries on Facebook and Instagram. So most people referred to the second part as inspire, which is great. Yeah, inspire is, you know, I'll give that, definitely, a chance to win. And pretty much, all the entries were great. So now I'm just looking for the winning entry. Okay, so, and I wonder if the person who entered the competition on Facebook and Instagram, I wonder if that person is online. So I'm going to read out, so it's a female, and I'm going to read out her comment, and I wonder if she is going to recognize her comment, and if she's online, if she can give us a wave and a comment. Her comment was, Auspire means Australia and inspire. Be inspired to follow your dreams and find your path to Australia. So that was the winning entry. And she did all the things correctly, because we had other entries as well. Unfortunately, though, people were commenting, but then the other elements of the task were not completed. So liking the post, tagging 3 friends, sharing the post, that unfortunately did not happen. So either people liked it or commented, but not everything. And so the winner of the competition is Megan Wallef. Do we have Megan on the call, on the live today? Maybe not, because I have a feeling Megan may be overseas. So she may be, I'm not sure. It sounds like a European name, and she may be still asleep, because I think it's still very early in Europe. Okay, so anyways, I can't see comment from Megan, not on Instagram, not on Facebook. Congratulations, Megan. You have won a 30-minute consultation with me for free, no charge. Yeah, so make sure that you watch this, when you watch this and know that you won, make sure that you contact my office. So you can either contact us via social media, so send us a DM on Facebook or Instagram, or send us an email, call us, reach out, and then my team will organize the free consultation with me for 30 minutes. Wonderful. Okay, so now I'm just going to my little list. I think I've completed everything. So now I'm going back to answering some questions. So I'm just scrolling up. Connie said that she attended one of my seminars and she had a consultation. Yes, so I used to run live events, so, as in person, not just here online. And I'm looking to do that very soon again. It's just been really hard for the last year with COVID and restrictions. And then, I'm in Queensland, and there's just been around Australia, there's been lockdowns and travel yes, travel no, wearing a mask, all these things. So it's just been, I've been observing, and I've just been doing things online. Many of you know that I'm doing these lives usually on a Monday. Today is Wednesday because of launch day. But I'm trying to be as present as I can and contribute and share my knowledge and give back to the community. And so very soon I will hopefully be going back and holding live events, because I used to do live events around Australia as well as overseas. So before COVID, I went to South Africa, and I was on a speaking tour through South Africa, which was amazing. Last year, I was meant to go to South America, so a few different countries in South America. But for obvious reasons, that did not occur. And and since then, I have been here on the Gold Coast in Queensland, and haven't really not really left. I've not really been anywhere. Luckily, the Gold Coast is a beautiful place, and I've got the beach and the ocean, and I've got internet, so I can connect with you, which is beautiful. Okay. What else have we got? Sultan. Sultan is asking, I'm forklift driver, but there is some occupation to study 2 years regional Australia for someone above 35. What leads to PR? I'm not sure if I understand that question, Zoltan. I'm trying to understand the question. So there is occupations that you can study for. So you could, for example, oftentimes we get people to Australia on a student visa, and then from the student visa we get them onto a graduate visa, postgraduate visa, and from a postgraduate then we get them onto a skilled visa or an employer-sponsored visa, and that then leads to permanent residency. So if this is what you mean, Zoltan, we can definitely assist you with that. So we can assist you with enrolling you in the right course. We can assist you with applying for the student visa and really help you with all the other processes. So we can really start from the very beginning, student visa, and then go step by step until you have your permanent residency and citizenship. Mehul, my wife, my wife's still studying in childcare and finish in 3 months. So what options for us for visa? Please advise me. Thanks. We live in Darwin, Northern Territory. Yeah, sure. So childcare worker is, well, first of all, remember, I'm back. Sorry, I just got a call on this phone and my phone just fell down. Childcare worker is a essential worker. Yeah, so it's childcare worker is part of the essential and critical sector. And secondly, childcare worker is also part of the Dharma visa. Okay, so Dharma visa would be a very good option. However, what I recommend, Mehul, is to book a consultation with either myself or one of my team, and then we can assess the visa options a little bit better for your wife, because I need to have more information. Zoltan has to go to work. It was nice to see you, Zoltan, as well. And yeah, Far has just tagged Megan on Facebook. Far, can you please also tag Megan on Instagram? Is that possible on the Instagram chat? And so now I'm just going over. So these were the questions on Facebook. Now I'm just going over to Instagram and see what questions we have on Instagram. Is there no questions? Oh, what is this? No, I don't want to do that. I think I think Rusty is asking if I can talk about the Dharma visa. Rusty, I did talk about the Dharma visa a few weeks ago on a live. So if you go, so you on Instagram, so on Instagram we have the IGTV. Then go to IGTV and there is a series called Monday Live, and you can go onto that series and there's all the Monday Lives. Well, today's Wednesday, but you know what I mean. And so I think Dharma visa was, I think, the second topic. So you will see it. It's got titles on each video, so you can see that on IGTV on Instagram. You can also see the videos, all the recordings on Facebook, and they're also on YouTube. So we have a YouTube channel, and there is all the lives recorded as well as other things. Yeah. So I mean, I've had this business for over 5 years. I love interacting and I love social media, I love technology, and I love talking, as you can tell, especially about immigration law. And so there is lots of material and free information about Dharma visa and all sorts of visas. There's even, we have got videos in Chinese. Actually, do we have any Chinese speakers online at the moment? Because so we have Chinese videos. We have videos that were translated into Spanish, so they have Spanish subtitles. And look, nowadays I think you can even, watch something in a whatever language, and then you can just have it in your own subtitle. Actually, one feature that we have on our new website is you can actually translate the website into your own language. So there's Google Translate in the website, So if you feel I'm not sure, or not so confident with my English, you can use the Google Translate and translates the website into your language. How amazing is that? All right. Well, we are just over half an hour in. I can't see any further questions, and I like to keep things short and sweet. That makes it also a bit easier for people who watch the replay, the recording. And thank you so much for everyone who has joined me with the live. Very exciting new chapter. Auspire Immigration Australia is live as of today. So today is pretty much a birthday, a baby shower, new beginnings, new chapter. And I'm very excited to serve more people together with my team under the Auspire Immigration Australia banner. Thanks so much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye everyone.